we're just going to put, no.
Don't be so mean.
I know, it's so aggressive. Alright, next one. Alright, so determine whether the following quadrilaterals are parallelograms. So, let's look at theorem 6.4. Theorem 6.4. What do we know about the consecutive angles? They add up to what? 180. Does 90 plus 90 equal 180? Yeah, okay. Over here, 90 plus 90. Does it equal 180? Yep. So this is a yes. May I turn it?
No.
Yeah, that was this morning. It's 10.
Alright, determine whether following quadrilaterals are parallelograms. What do these have to add up to?
180.
180, so let's try it.
So what's the one that doesn't add up to 36?
110 plus 73 equals 183, so this is a no. The whole thing would add up to 360. Yeah, good question. Because the top and the bottom are parallel, the left and the right are parallel. So, how would we find x and y? What do you think is the easiest one to find right away? What do we know about the one across from it? Oh, hold up. What do we know about the angle across? It's what? They're congruent. So y equals what? 70. Okay, that's easy. Then what do we know about the angles side by side? What do they add up to? 180. So 180 minus 70 equals 110. So x equals 110. So then if x is 110, what's the angle across from it going to be? Yeah, 110. Okay, so 9 and 4. Alright, so in a parallelogram, what do we know about the top and the bottom? They're the same, right? They're also congruent. Okay, so what does 2x minus 1 equal? If this side is congruent to this side. 9. So 2x minus 1 equals 9. So add 1 on both sides. 2x equals 10. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 5. So that's for our x. Now, how would we find the y? If in a parallelogram, the two sides are congruent, the opposite sides are congruent. Yeah, 2y equals 4. So divide both sides by 2. Y equals 2. So x equals 5, y equals 2. How could we solve for 6x? What does this side equal to? Yep. So 6x equals 18. Oh, 14 and 18 are not on your paper. Alright, so 6x equals 18. These two sides are congruent. So divide both sides by 6. X equals 3. Alright, then we know 3y plus 4 equals what?
14.
Yeah, so 3y plus 2 equals 14. I think I said 4, 3y plus 4. I don't know. Okay, 3y plus 2 equals 14. Subtract 2 on both sides. 3y equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. What does y equal? Yep, y equals 4. This is the last one. And then you can. How can I find this angle? What do these two angles add up to? 180. So 180 minus 65 equals 115. So this angle right here is 115 degrees. Alright, now let's solve for x and y. Let's do the 5y plus 10 first. How can we solve for y? What does 5y plus 10 equal?
115. 165.
65. Remember, the opposites are equal to each other. Okay, so let's solve for that one. Subtract 10. 5y equals 55. Divide by 5. So y equals 11. Now, how would I...
Same answer if we put it in the calculator.
Yes.
That's a lot.
Then, how do we solve for x? Guys, we'll stop after this. I just need you to hang with me. How do we solve for x?
2x minus 3 equals 115.
Good. Those are equal to each other. So 2x minus 3 equals 115. Add 3. 2x equals 118.
118.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. You made me like second guess myself. So x equals 59.
Are we
So
done?
there's your summary.
We done.